Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and adapt just like humans. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's the promise of AGI, artificial general intelligence. But what exactly is AGI, and why is everyone talking about it? Stick around, because in the next few minutes we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. Unlike today's AI, which is designed for specific tasks, like recommending movies or recognizing faces, AGI can perform any intellectual task a human can do. It's not just about answering questions. It's about reasoning, problem-solving, and adapting to new situations without being explicitly programmed. Think of it this way. Narrow AI is like a calculator great at math but useless for cooking. AGI, on the other hand, would be like a human brain in a machine capable of learning anything. So why does AGI matter? Imagine doctors using AGI to diagnose diseases faster than ever, or scientists solving climate change with AI-driven simulations. AGI could revolutionize education, automate complex jobs, and even help us explore space. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. AGI is built on the foundation of machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, but it goes beyond that. Current AI models are trained on massive datasets, but they lack true understanding. AGI aims to mimic human-like reasoning, adaptability, and even creativity. It's about creating systems that can learn how to learn, just like we do. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. AGI is incredibly hard to build. We don't fully understand human intelligence yet, so replicating it is a massive challenge. Plus, there are ethical concerns. What if AGI becomes too powerful? Who controls it? How do we make sure it's safe and aligned with human values? These are questions researchers are working on right now. So, when will AGI arrive? Experts disagree, some say decades, others think it might never happen. But progress is being made every day. Companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and others are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One thing is certain, AGI will change the world in ways we can't fully imagine yet. That's a quick look at AGI and why it's such a big deal. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about technology and the future, stay connected and keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.